Okay. So now we're going to work on the pipe, all right, as a separate part to the other. So right now I'm looking at this path. Okay, so I've already created it. Now this path is created from a circle with a radius of 260. Okay, so diameter is going to be 520. And then it has these two lines that come off this side quadrant and this bottom quadrant, and those lines are 150. So what you'll see is you'll have a circle with these two little lines sticking out. Once those lines are attached, you can take your trim tool, the little scissors, and take out this main portion of the circle. Okay, and so all that'll be left is this path. Okay, so here it is. Here's the center point of this arch, and here are the lines that are attached to the quadrant. Okay, so just like before, we need to do a circle for the sweep. However, the circle needs to be at a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to do another sketch, and I'm going to pick my plane as my right plane. Okay, so you should see it appear here. Okay, so now I'm going to shift so I have an isometric view of it, and I'm going to make my circle. Okay, so I'll make my circle, and then I only need one initially, and I'm going to need this outside diameter, the 290. Okay, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to make sure that this is 290. Okay, so now that I have my perpendicular circle to my path, I can say I'm good with that circle and I can do my sweep. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is select the face, and then it's going to ask me for the path. Okay, and it should create it as you click on the path. And so you should now have this right angle. Okay, so I'm going to say, okay, happy with that. So the next thing I'm going to do is you can try shelling it, but another way that you can do it is with another sketch. So I'm going to do a sketch, and I'm going to make this face my plane, and I'm going to make a circle on that face. Okay, I'm going to put the circle here, and then I'm going to come back, and I'm going to decide how big I want that circle to be. And that's going to be dictated by this number here. Okay, so that needs to be 210. Okay, so now that I have a circle on this face and I have this body that I've created, I am going to do another sweep. Okay, so I'm going to say okay to that sketch. Okay, now remember, you can go ahead and rename these if you want, and I'm just not doing that now for the purpose of time. So now what I'm going to do with this sketch is I'm going to do another sweep. Okay, now this is the face. Make sure only that one is selected. I want it to be solid, but I don't want new. I want it to remove. Now I'm going to pick my path. My path will come through the body of my pipe. And you can see it should show you that it is deleting those portions. So now I should be able to say, okay, and I should have a full pipe with my path set in the center of it. So that would be your pipe elbow.